Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a fuel pump. First, ensure your workspace is well ventilated and free from ignition sources. Safety is paramount when working with fuel. You'll need a new fuel pump, a fuel line disconnect tool, and basic hand tools. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent accidental electrical shorts. Remember to relieve the fuel system pressure before proceeding to avoid fuel spray. Now that safety precautions are in place, let's access the fuel pump. Begin by safely lifting your truck and securing it on sturdy jack stands. This provides crucial clearance to work underneath. Locate the fuel tank, usually positioned beneath the truck bed. You'll need to disconnect the electrical connectors and fuel lines attached to the pump assembly. Then, carefully remove the fuel tank straps and gently lower the tank. With the fuel tank lowered, it's time to replace the pump. Before removing the old pump, thoroughly clean the area around the tank opening to prevent contaminants from entering. Carefully twist or unbolt the retaining ring to remove the old fuel pump module. Install the new pump, making sure the new O-ring or gasket is correctly seated for a leak-free seal. Reconnect all electrical and fuel line connections to the new pump. Almost done, carefully raise and secure the fuel tank back into position, ensuring the straps are tightened correctly. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Before starting the engine, turn the ignition to the on position a few times without starting to prime the fuel system. This helps build pressure and check for leaks. Finally, start the engine and inspect for any fuel leaks around the new pump. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy, check the link in the description for leak-proof containers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.